Google Slides is a resource that you might use a lot for activities that you have created or purchased yourself, but there's also a lot of capability with just using it as a blank slate, as just kind of like a whiteboard. So to make your own Google Slides presentation that's completely blank and you're starting from scratch, you hit this plus sign and it opens it up. Now you can change the title up here if you want to. And you're probably not going to want to use these title and subtitle boxes, so you can just click and drag and then hit backspace to delete that. And unless you want to use one of these themes, you can just exit out of that. So first, let's look at how to make a text box. There's a shortcut here you can click, or insert text box. And you can kind of click and drag to draw the text box where you want it. You can center your text. You can change the size. You can change the font if you want to. You can change the color. And then you just type. Now that text box can be moved around if you hit the select button there, and you can move it to where you want. So if you want to insert a picture, you can click Insert Image, or you can click this shortcut here. Now you can upload one from your computer that you have saved on your computer, your desktop or your laptop, or you can search the web, and it's integrated with Google Images. So Google Images comes up on the side and you can type in what kind of picture you're looking for and hit enter. And then it shows you a bunch of images. Now this would only be for your own personal classroom use. Obviously you cannot use these Google Images and sell this Google Slides presentation or use it for any commercial purposes. But for your students and your own purposes, you can, use these images. So you click on one you want, and then you click Insert, and it puts it right there. So you can do that over and over again if you want to have multiple pictures, and then again you can select it and move it around. And if you want to draw a line or any kind of annotation, freehand or anything like that, there is all kinds of line options here, from ones with arrows. So you can also just insert a straight line if you'd like to, or you can do like just a freehand scribble line like that. Another tool that you might use in a Google Slides blank presentation like this with your students is different shapes. So as you can see, there are all these different options that you can insert, and then a lot of them you can type into. So if you insert a circle and click in it, you're able to type in that. Again, you can have those same text tools available within the shape, where you can center, right align, left align, and so on. So hopefully that kind of shows you what you can do in Google Slides if you use it kind of as a whiteboard during your speech therapy sessions. Thanks for watching.